Your compressor passed all tests, but shipment is still on hold. Why? Because documentation is incomplete. In oil and gas, quality is not just built, it must be proven. Today, I'll show you how QA/QC documentation controls entire projects. Slide 1. Why QA/QC is critical. Many engineers focus only on design and performance, but in real projects, if documentation is missing, FAT cannot be closed, shipment is blocked, payment is delayed, audit fails. QA/QC documentation is legal proof of quality. Slide 2. Core document set. A complete QA/QC package includes ITP, Inspection and Test Plan, QAP, Quality Assurance Plan, MDR, Manufacturing Data Record, NDE reports, Material Traceability, Test Certificates. All these together prove compliance. Slide 3. What is ITP? ITP is the quality roadmap. It defines what to inspect, when to inspect, who will inspect, acceptance criteria. It controls the entire manufacturing process. Slide 4. Hold witness points. There are 3 types of inspection points. H, hold, cannot proceed without approval. W, witness, client may attend. R, review, document check. Example, hydro test equals hold point, work stops until approval. Slide 5, QA/QC stages. QA/QC follows 5 stages. 1. Material MTC, PMI. 2. Fabrication welding, NDE. 3. Assembly alignment, torque. 4. Testing, hydro performance. 5. Final inspection plus docs. Each stage builds quality proof. Slide 6, MDR, very important. MDR is the final documentation book. It includes drawings, material certificates, welding records, NDE reports, test reports, calibration certificates. Without MDR, equipment cannot be shipped. Slide 7, inspection checklists. Practical checks include material grade, MTC, traceability, welding, WPS, welder qualification, NDE, assembly, alignment, torque, seal, testing, vibration, temperature, performance. These ensure nothing is missed. Slide 8, equipment-specific QA. For pumps, hydro test, impeller balance, seal testing. For compressors, rotor balance, overspeed test, anti-surge check. For lube oil system, cleanliness, flushing, filter testing. Each equipment has unique QA focus. Slide 9, common failures. These are real QA mistakes: missing traceability, incomplete NDE reports, expired calibration, ITP not approved, no hardness test in sour service. These can stop entire project. Slide 10, third-party inspection. In critical projects, TPI is required. Inspector will witness tests, verify documents, sign reports, approve MDR. Without TPI approval, no shipment. Slide 11, document flow. QA/QC follows a strict flow: vendor, QC, inspector, client, approval. Only after full approval, shipment allowed. Any delay in this flow delays project. Slide 12, interview questions. For interviews, remember ITP equals inspection roadmap, MDR, proof of quality, hold point equals mandatory approval, calibration, accuracy proof, traceability equals material tracking. Speak like this, you stand out. Slide 13, golden principle. Here's the most powerful line. Quality is proven through documentation, not just performance. Even perfect equipment can be rejected without proper documents. Slide 14, final takeaway. Remember this sequence: ITP controls. Inspection verifies, MDR proves, approval allows shipment. This is complete QA/QC logic. If you want to become a top engineer in oil and gas, you must understand both engineering and documentation. Like this video. Subscribe for deep engineering knowledge. Comment QA/QC if you want real inspection case studies. See you in the next one.